When the McGriddle was introduced to McDonald's menu, it is no wonder that it became an instant hit. And that's because, you guys, you actually had two entrees in one. You had egg, your choice of meat, whether it be bacon or sausage, cheese, sandwiched between two maple flavored sandwich size pancakes. Oh my goodness. You remember? I certainly do. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So today, we are going to do a McGriddle dupe in the comfort of our own home. We get to control the ingredients, we get to save money, and you guys, furthermore, it's going to be low carb. So if that sounds like something that you want to put together, then come in close and let's make a McDonald's McGriddle dupe together. Okay, everyone, in order to put together this McGriddle dupe, we need the pancakes, we need our meat, and today I am using sausage, turkey sausage, and I'm using turkey bacon. We need some eggs, of course, and we also need some cheese. Your choice. I've got a white cheese here, and I've got a yellow cheese. And of course, you guys, coffee for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with putting a pancake batter together. In this bowl, I've got my almond flour. Into it, I am going to add some baking powder and some salt. Go ahead and mix these together. Okay, everything has been evenly distributed and well combined, so let's set this aside. Now we are going to combine our wet ingredients. So as you can see here, I've got my eggs. Go ahead and give these a whisk. And to it, I'm going to add some what used to be melted butter. Temperatures are changing, you guys. Fall is in the air. Okay. Now to it, we are going to add our almond milk, some vanilla extract. And you guys, because this is a McGriddle dupe, we got to bring in the maple syrup. And I'll leave in the description the link to where I purchased this. I got this from Amazon, and it's sugar-free. And mix that in, because we want that maple flavor. And you guys, this is our wet ingredients. Okay. So let's bring back a flour mixture. Into it, we're going to add the wet ingredients. Give this a stir until everything is well incorporated. All right, you guys, and here we have it. That's our pancake batter. So at this point, I am going to heat my griddle. So this is what I'm going to be using to put these pancakes together. It's going to be the perfect size to make our sandwich, okay? So I'm going to heat that. So while this is heating, we're going to go on over to the stove and we are going to cook our meat. I'll see you there. Okay, this cast iron skillet is hot, or griddle, I should say. I'm going to put some avocado oil on it because, again, I am using turkey, ground turkey, and that has very little fat. So I'm going to add some fat to it. And let's add the meat. So we've got our turkey sausage, and then we have our turkey bacon. All right, and we are going to cook these until they're done. Okay, let's see what we have here. All right, look at that turkey sausage. That is looking great. Let's check this turkey bacon. Okay, so it needs a little bit more time on this side, and that's what we're going to give it. Okay, everyone, our meat is ready. Okay, I'm going to put it in my platter. Now, you probably already know this, but it's worth saying for food safety reasons, I washed and cleansed this because, again, this had raw meat on it. So make sure, okay, that you follow safe food handling by cleaning everything in between, all right? You don't want any cross-contamination. So I've got my sausage, I've got my crispy bacon, And let's go make those pancakes. All right, you guys, now for our griddle cakes. So I've got this mini pancake maker here, and if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, I'll leave the link in my description. I am going to add a scoop and just a little bit more of this batter. Close this lid and just wait. Okay, everyone, it's been about 2 minutes. That's looking great. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let's just flip it. I want it to be a little bit more brown on the other side. And what I'm gonna do is brush some of this maple syrup on top. And this is sugar-free. And I'll leave this in the link as well. Okay, close this lid. And then let the other side brown a little bit, and then that will be ready. All right, everyone, this is ready. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on my platter. I've got 3 more to make, and then once these are done, we are going to put the eggs together. Okay, now for our eggs. So in this bowl, I've got 2 eggs. And to it, I'm gonna add just a little bit of fat. I've got some cream. Give that a whisk. And to it, I'm gonna add some salt and some pepper. These are ready. So you guys, meet me over at the stove, and then we are going to cook these. Okay, everyone, now for these eggs. So to this hot skillet, I'm going to add some avocado oil. Spread it around. Make sure these eggs don't stick. And into it, we're going to put our egg. Okay, guys, just want to cook it until you can lift these edges and fold it. Okay. And do the other side exactly the same way. Okay, guys, and here you have it. All right, I've got 1 more to go, and then it will be time to assemble these McGriddles. Okay, everyone, time to assemble. We've got our griddle cakes, we've got our eggs with cheese, and we have our meat. I'm going to top it with meat. This one is going to be our bacon. And then the last thing is to cover it, you guys. And here we have it. Our McGriddle dupe. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, you guys, and here we have it. We've got 2 McDonald's McGriddle dupes that we made our own kind of special because we made it low carb. We have a turkey sausage on this one, and on this one we have a turkey bacon. Each one absolutely delicious, you guys. And all you need to do is get your favorite drink, which you already know I love, love, love coffee. I've got coffee here with some almond milk and some coconut cream and some cinnamon on top. Sit back and relax and enjoy. Or if you need this to go, all you need to do is to get some wrap here. Take your sandwich. Wrap it up. And you are on your way. How special is that? So you guys, if you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you, please do remember to give it a like and a share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. I'm going to be bringing you lots more of this, you guys. Absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special with fabulous recipes such as this. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy. I'm gonna eat this now. This is not to go. See you soon, you guys.